Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. First of all, let's launch the app. The first thing that you want to look at the top right corner is the three bars. You're going to click on the three bars and you're going to launch the menu. Then you're going to click on settings and privacy right at the top and you will see this meta center, which essentially now is renamed as account center. You want to click on account center and you want to launch the new current version of it. Then you want to scroll down and you want to find a section called personal details. You want to click on the personal details and you would find a setting which is named after account ownership and control. When you click on this particular function, you will be able to either deactivate or delete your account on Instagram. It's very important that if you would like to delete your account, you want to make sure that you download all your content and all your files, including your data. Because once when you delete your account, you're not gonna have access to any of the previous content or data. Second option is deactivation, meaning that temporarily you're not gonna be using your account, so you probably don't want to be found or searched. So this is very important option, allowing you for temporary short term for you to deactivate your account. Subscribe and follow for more.